jawaban kunci bahasa Inggris kelas 11 bab 2 chapter 2 ya, keep our environment clean and comfortable. Diagnostic assessment chapter 2, keep our environment clean and comfortable. Kunci jawaban yang nomor 1 jawabannya B, nomor 2 jawabannya C. Kalimat dengan adjective phrase yang pada usaha benar adalah jawabannya C. Let me throw away this smelly and rotten garbage. Soal nomor 3 jawabannya B, yaitu benar karena memberi tambahan informasi pada part yang merujuk pada part where. Yang nomor 4 jawabannya A, nomor 5 jawabannya D. Kemudian lanjut ke listening and speaking, activity 1. Contoh jawabannya nomor 1, the environment in picture 1 looks dirty, while the one in picture 2 looks clean and convenient. Jawaban nomor 2, they clear the waterway so it would be clogged up with microbes. Besides, the environment will look nice and comfortable. Nomor 3 jawabannya they clear the waterway regularly and stop littering. Kemudian activity 2 jawabannya 1, let blowers. Nomor 2 jawabannya Jamel. Nomor 3 broken glass. Nomor 4 circuit boards. Nomor 5 waste rock. Nomor 6 cell phones. Nomor 7 animal manual. Nomor 8 use tissues. Nomor 9 plastic bags. Nomor 10 use syringe. So nomor activity 3 jawaban nomor 1, they are talking about how to manage domestic waste better. So nomor 2 jawabannya Andina explains that plastic is one of the research vintage. So nomor 3 jawabannya they use washable bags when shopping and markets with that are packaged in eco-friendly materials such as cardboard or other biodegradable materials. Kalau nomor 4 jawabannya they should look into using more environmentally friendly cleaning products in their homes. So nomor 5 contoh jawabannya what Andina and her friends are going to do is very good. I think it's fine as to preserve nature by stopping the use of other non-biodegradable product. So activity 4 itu ada table ya, kalian bisa lihat ada kolom expressions sama kolom sentence. Seeking for information, what do you mean? Kemudian providing information, we should make sure to use products that are free from harmful chemicals and biodegradable. We can search for articles about how to make it from the internet. Kemudian yang expression, asking for opinions. What do you think if we try to make our own cleaning products using natural ingredients? Kemudian yang giving opinions, I believe we can handle it better. Kemudian I think plastic is one of the main sources of pollution. Kemudian ada asking for suggestion. Then what do you suggest? Kemudian ada giving suggestion. We can start it with reducing the use of single. Activity 5 jawabannya nomor 1 broken down, nomor 2 glass, nomor 3 metal, nomor 3 tissues, nomor 5 endangered, nomor 6 metal, nomor 7 throw away, nomor 8 plastic wraps, nomor 9 extend, nomor 10 landfills. Untuk activity 7 jawabannya yang nomor 1 itu garbage that cannot be broken down naturally. Nomor 2 jawabannya plastic glass, fiber, and metal. Soal nomor 3 such garbage can be used by animals and be lethal if used. Soal nomor 4 use fewer throwaway items and will be good about garbage. Soal nomor 5 contoh jawabannya we have to start saving nature and living things by using biodegradable items. Then activity 8 ya. Sini aja kalau Ada dua dialog ya dari Gavin dan Adelio. Kalau Gavin bilangnya gini, non-biodegradable waste has become a major issue in our city.
Badak bisa nggak? Bisa nggak?
Lanjut activity 9. Jawaban adjective phrase in biodegradable is very upsetting. Kemudian clean, healthy, nice, comfortable. And adjective clause that is good to do. Using to throw the rubbish on the ground. Activity 7. Dengan beberapa statement ya. Kemudian nomor 1, Gavin and Adelio are talking about the waste problem in the city. Jawabannya true. Gavin and Adelio always collect the garbage after their carefully the activities. Jawabannya false. So, nomor 2, plastic bags and water bottles belong to biodegradable loss. Jawabannya false. Kemudian soal nomor 4, Gavin feels hurt when people throw waste litter on the street. Jawabannya true. Soal nomor 5, adalah Gavin suggests all authorized official public about storage groups for sale. Jawabannya false. Nomor 6 jawabannya true, nomor 7 jawabannya true, nomor 8 jawabannya false. Ini ada correction, kalian bisa jawab, baca sendiri ya. Activity 11, work in pairs. Talk about the difference between garbage and trash. Share your work with the class. Oke, ini jawabannya ya. Garbage is usually used to describe organic waste, such as food scraps or plant waste, leftover rotting vegetable in the kitchen, and green waste from the garden are examples of garbage. Meanwhile, trash refers to more general waste, including non-biodegradable waste such as plastic, glass, and metal. Trash includes plastic bottles, used paper, and or soda cans. Kemudian lanjutan jawabannya, in several contexts, garbage and trash can be used interchangeable. However, in everyday usage in the United States, garbage is more often used in the context of organic waste, while trash is used for non-biodegradable waste. Activity 12 atau 12 ya jawabannya. Nomor 1 neighborhood, nomor 2 smelly, nomor 3 waste processing, nomor 4 household waste, nomor 5 compost maker, nomor 6 waste clean, nomor 7 recycle materials, nomor 8 solar panels, nomor 9 eco friendly, nomor 10 100 trees. Lanjut ke activity 13, nomor 1 jawabannya C. Pilihan jawaban C benar karena sesuai dengan kalimat pertama paragraf 1. You must be surprised when I tell you that the house where I live is made of plastic panels for plastic waste. Yang artinya kamu pasti terkejut ketika saya memberitahu bahwa rumah tempat saya tinggal terbuat dari panel plastik dari sampah plastik. Soal nomor 2 jawabannya, the speaker's new house is cozy and eco-friendly. Kemudian the speaker doesn't need to pay for electricity bills. Kemudian yang ketiga, the speaker and his friends collect all type of waste, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Soal nomor 3 jawabannya E. Pilihan jawaban E benar karena sesuai dengan kalimat di paragraf kedua. We also ask for the support of waste processing company of the outskirts of town. Ya, artinya kami juga meminta dukungan perusahaan pengolah sampah yang ada di pinggir kota. Lanjut untuk soal nomor 4, jawabannya pada tabel ya. Yang the safe statement, the save our place program devices out of concern for a dirty environment, itu jawabannya true. Kemudian it turns out that the amount of household waste is much more than non-biodegradable waste, itu jawabannya false. Kemudian plastic panels are made of clean plastic waste, jawabannya true. Decomposed waste is also managed into a useful product, jawabannya true. The program to plant 100 trees every weekend is a part of the Save Our Place program, false. Kemudian jawaban yang ini menjodohkan ya. Site itu jawabannya it is very dirty with plastic waste and garbage. Yang smell jawabannya itu besides that it is too smelly, that it is hard to describe. Kemudian yang touch jawabannya yang although small, my house is much more comfortable and stronger than before. Kemudian yang taste jawabannya it tastes very bad, that it seems it contains iron. Yang hearing jawabannya it will be exciting to hear the birds singing and the crickets screeching. Dua dialog antara Arkana dan NC.
Oh, minta duit.
Reading and viewing, activity 1, jawabannya the text is about a tourist, object name blue, driver tabing or BRT. Activity 2, jawabannya ya statementnya the driver is deep with strong current, jawabannya false. Nomor 2, the writer and her friends like to play in the river, jawabannya true. Nomor 3, soalnya they really enjoy the river due to the clean lines and beauty of the river, jawabannya true. Kemudian nomor 4, soal 4, the idea of making of blue river tubing occurred intentionally, jawabannya false. Soal nomor 5, the management of the tourist spot guarantees the safety and security of visitors, jawabannya true. Soal nomor 6, the existence of the tourist spot can improve of the local people's welfare, true. Kemudian nomor 7, soalnya the visitors will see cliffs on the sides of the river during river tubing, false. Soal nomor 8, visitors from big cities come to the tourist spot to enjoy the nature, true. Kemudian nomor 9, soalnya there are many restaurants in the tourist spot to serve various dishes to visitors, jawabannya false. The beauty of this tourist spot is disturbed by the existence of many street vendors. Activity 3, jawabannya ada 2 kolom sense dengan paragraf. Yang smell itu paragraf 1, sight paragraf 4, hearing paragraf 3, touch paragraf 5, dan taste ada word indication, meaningnya petunjuk tanda, sinonimnya hint. Kalau kios meaningnya warung kios, kemudian sinonimnya stall. Yang nomor 3, minimizing, meaning mengurangi atau memperkecil, sinonimnya reducing. Picking up, meaningnya mengambil, mengumpulkan, sinonimnya collecting. Yang nomor 5, rotten, meaningnya busuk, kemudian sinonimnya spoil. Kemudian nomor 6, significant, itu artinya penting, kemudian sinonimnya important. Soal nomor 7, smell, bau busuk, sinonimnya stench. Spilling, itu meaningnya tumpah, kemudian sinonimnya overflowing. Soal nomor 9, to deal out, meaningnya mengosongkan, sinonimnya to empty. Soal nomor 10, to replace, meaningnya mengganti, kemudian meaning sinonimnya to switch. So nomor 11, to report, artinya melaporkan, menginformasikan, sinonimnya to inform. Kemudian soal nomor 12, to throw up, meaningnya itu muntah, kemudian sinonimnya to gag. Soal nomor 13, to view, artinya melihat atau meaningnya melihat, Kemudian sinonimnya to see. Soal nomor 14, to be weirded out, meaning menyortir. Kemudian sinonimnya to be short. Soal terakhir unluckily, artinya itu sayangnya. Kemudian sinonimnya unfortunately. Jawabannya it describes the writer neighborhood based on of his five sense in seeing, hearing, tasting, touching, and smelling. Soal nomor 2, jawabannya it looks dirty. It has no pleasant smell, for its trash can is overflowing with spoiled fruits and vegetables, emitting a putrid smell. Soal ketiga, jawabannya he or she feels like throwing up. Soal nomor 4, he should manage the garbage properly. Soal nomor 5, jawabannya the garbage truck collect trash in the afternoon. Soal nomor 6, no it isn't it. The writer is noticing that few bags are torn and spill their contents onto the street. So nomor 7, jawabannya they should have made sure that the trash bag is intact and properly tied so that the waste does not spill over. So nomor 8, he will collect big bag of recyclables. Activity 6 atau activity 6 ya, dia ada beberapa kolom. Paragraf 1, adjective phrase-nya new, fancy, atau very little. Adjektifnya kalian bisa lihat sendiri ya, adjective clauses-nya di sini. So, pada paragraf 2, adjective phrase-nya low quality atau more environmentally friendly. Kemudian ada adjective clause-nya di sini ya. Kemudian yang paragraf 3, noisy but effective. Kemudian the very important. Soal nomor 4 itu nggak ada adjective phrases-nya ya. Kemudian maksudnya paragraf 4. Paragraf 5-nya ada full of, empty, sama ready to be sorted and recycled. Itu ada adjective clause, kalian bisa lihat sendiri di sini. Oke, activity 7 ada main idea ya. Paragraf 4 itu main idea waste collection is an important part of keeping communities clean and healthy. Paragraf 3 main idea the garbage truck is driving by collecting bags of trash from the writer's neighborhood, including trash from that food stall. Kalau paragraf 1 main idenya there is a new food stall near the writer's house, but the owner pays little attention to his choice and it emits a putrid smell that bothers the writer. Paragraf 5 main idenya it feels good to know that the writer is doing his part in reducing waste. Paragraf 5 ya. Paragraf 2-nya main idenya the writer usually brings a water bottle to school and wastes in it immediately upon arriving home. Activity 8 atau activity 8, jawabannya nomor 1, cold refreshing water quenches my thirst after a long walk. Soal nomor 2, jawabannya the delicious cheesy pizza has filled my stomach and satisfied my cravings. Soal nomor 3, jawabannya we sit on nice old wooden chairs and see tiny white flowers blooming in the garden. Soal nomor 4, jawabannya the car which is parked near the entrance gate of the garden has a flat tire. Soal nomor 5, jawabannya I see a man who is wearing a nice suit is calling a tire patch. Activity 9, nah ini banyak nih ya jawabannya, kalian bisa lihat sendiri di sini nih. Oke, kemudian activity 7 ya, paragraf 1 main idenya today many people who live in cities want to move and enjoy living in a countryside. Kalau paragraf kedua, main idea, Mr. Saputra and his wife really enjoyed the comfort of a rural atmosphere. Paragraf tiga, main idea, Mr. Saputra and his wife feel uncomfortable if they live in a city due to the noisy environment and individualistic city people. Paragraf 4, main idea, the clean and beautiful rural environment makes Mr. Saputra and his wife feel so peaceful. Activity 1, ini contoh jawabannya ya, kalian bisa lihat atau buat sendiri atau dimodifikasi. Oke, kemudian ke asesmen ya. Soal nomor 1 ini jawabannya B, jawaban disebutkan dari kalimat Pak Riz. Can you tell me that what types of waste they accept? Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya jenis limbah apa yang mereka terima? Itu berarti bahwa Pak Riz akan membawa sampah. Jawabannya adalah D. Kemudian yang nomor 2, jawabannya E. Ya, artinya sampah harus disortir ke dalam kategori yang berbeda. Benar, karena kalimat tersebut digunakan untuk memberi informasi. Soal nomor 3, jawabannya A. Kata require and need artinya sama, yaitu memerlukan atau membutuhkan. Dan untuk jawab soal nomor 4, jawabannya C. Artinya kita harus mengelola sampah kita dengan baik. Kemudian soal nomor 5, jawabannya A. Jawaban disebutkan dari pertanyaan Surya di awal percakapan. Ria, can you tell me where the new landfill for organic waste is located? Yang artinya, Ria, bisakah kamu memberitahu saya di mana lokasi TPA sampah anorganik yang baru? Jadi Surya dan Ria berbicara tentang lokasi TPA sampah organik yang baru. Kemudian soal nomor 6, jawabannya C. Adjective clauses adalah kelompok kata yang berfungsi sebagai kata sifat untuk menjelaskan, untuk menggambarkan kata benda. Soal nomor 7, jawabannya B. Dalam kalimat tersebut, very well maintained adalah adjective phrase yang terdiri dari dua kata sifat, yaitu very and well maintained. Soal nomor 8, jawabannya B. Jawaban disebutkan dari kalimat awal teks. The Alliance residence is a beautiful and well maintained home that is a model of cleanliness and waste management. Soal nomor 9, jawabannya C. Benar, karena sesuai dengan kalimat di paragraf terakhir, they use washable cloth napkins and towels instead of paper product and refillable water bottles instead of disposable plastic ones. This is not only reduce their waste but also save money in the long run. Nomor 10, jawabannya C. Reusable artinya dapat digunakan kembali. Soal nomor 11, jawabannya E. Jawaban disebutkan dari kalimat kedua paragraf 1. From the moment we step inside, we notice how everything is in its place and how clean and fresh the air feels. Soal nomor 12, jawabannya C. Teks tersebut merupakan teks deskriptif yang menggambarkan tempat bermain ceria. Soal nomor 13, jawabannya A. Jawaban disebutkan dari kalimat di paragraf 2 yang artinya sama mendekati ke taman bermain. Soal 14, jawabannya D. Jawaban disebutkan dari kalimat di paragraf 2 yang artinya saat mendekati taman bermain Anda bisa langsung melihat tanda-tanda kerusakan peralatan taman bermain berkarat dan rusak, serta banyak ayunan dan perosotan, tidak memiliki baut atau sekrup. Soal nomor 15, jawabannya A. Kata neglect and abandonment artinya sama, yaitu pengabaian atau kelalaian. Soal nomor 16, jawabannya B. Dapat disebutkan bahwa dari kalimat di atas paragraf 1, as soon as you step inside, you are greeted by a spotless interior that and immediately puts you at ease, yang artinya begitu Anda melangkah masuk, Anda akan disambut oleh interior besi yang langsung membuat Anda nyaman. Itu berarti pandu resto, tempat yang nyaman sesuai dengan pilihan. Jawabannya B. Soal nomor 17, jawabannya D, artinya kebun hijau. Benar, karena sesuai dengan kalimat di paragraf 3. All food waste is composed and used to fertilize and restore food top. Soal nomor 18, jawabannya A. Kata it merujuk pada subjek kalimat sebelumnya. One of the reason why the restaurant is so clean, it is rigorous waste management. Soal nomor 19, jawabannya B. Soal nomor 20 jawabannya E. Kalimat the prices are very reasonable artinya harga sangat masuk akal.